The 5 best beginner-friendly affiliate marketing programs. Please like video and subscribe our channel, Earn Online with Rabina. 1. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program run by Amazon that allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. It is one of the largest and most well-known affiliate programs and is a good starting point for beginners. Commission Junction, CJ Affiliate. Commission Junction, CJ Affiliate, is an affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers with publishers to increase sales and generate leads. It offers a wide range of products and services, making it a versatile platform for affiliates to promote. Commission Junction also provides tools and resources to help affiliates optimize their campaigns, making it a good choice for beginners. 3. ShareASale. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing network that provides merchants with a platform to connect with affiliates and promote their products. ShareASale offers a user-friendly interface, flexible commission structures, and a wide range of tools to help merchants and affiliates manage their campaigns. It is a good choice for beginners due to its ease of use and variety of products and services available for promotion. 4. eBay Partner Network. eBay Partner Network (EPN) is the affiliate marketing program for eBay. It allows affiliates to promote eBay products and earn commissions on sales made through their referrals. EPN offers a wide variety of products, a flexible commission structure, and access to eBay's vast customer base. Additionally, EPN provides tools and resources to help affiliates optimize their campaigns, making it a good choice for beginners. 5. Rakuten Marketing, formerly Linkshare. Rakuten Marketing, formerly Linkshare, is a global affiliate marketing network that provides merchants with a platform to connect with affiliates and promote their products. Rakuten Marketing offers a wide range of products, a flexible commission structure, and a variety of tools and resources to help merchants and affiliates manage their campaigns. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive support, Rakuten Marketing is a good choice for beginners looking to get started in affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.